Hey, don't let him up. Okay, guys.
Guys, back up. Why you guys move up?
Oh, hey.
Why'd you guys move up? Back up.
Hey, you guys. We think that might be a bomb, so go back. Go back. Move back. Move back.
Get back.
That thing blows up. You're all gonna get hit.
Everyone take 3
You got it on
steps
video.
back. Everyone stand up.
Yeah.
Back up.
You know how these guys like playing jokes.
I think I speak for all the parents here, including myself, with all the coaches. We want to give you a special thank you for dedicating your time and your talent. You guys did an awesome job. These boys have come a long way, not only in teamwork, but in skills, and in school, and in self-improvement. They've all done so well in it, and you guys have got a lot of credit coming to you for that. So everybody give them a hand. To get this for you guys, because you're well deserved, and we hope that you remember this team for years to come.
Yeah.
Please be careful when you open them.
Don't drop it.
Open it.
I don't trust Keith, man.
Hey, we don't trust anybody here.
Look, he's something from
Because
the
the
cow.
cases will crack.
Shut up.
He broke his hand.
Just keep on running.
My back.
No, that's
Josh, what? Hey.
maybe they're a ball.
Hey, I painted off. I did all the paint work. Oh, that was nice.
I want the ball.
Rudy, you should turn yours in.
Yeah, that's right, man. You gotta watch your back, man. You better.
Parents got awards. But you were all great parents, okay?
Yeah, we got that.
This was my first year. All I heard were horror stories about the parents.
Oh, yeah.
And I didn't know what they were talking about, so thank you guys.
Yeah, lucky you still don't know.
Give yourselves a hand. Come on, you can be
What the heck?
I got that. Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, what happened?
He pinched me in my ribs and
Oh, okay. I'll zoom in if I have to, you guys.
What'd they do?
Oh, was it an egg or was it a cupcake?
Who did it?
Oh.
Who did